In this video, you'll learn how to connect Mailchimp to Pipedrive CRM. This integration allows you to manage your marketing campaigns alongside your customer relationship management effectively. By the end, you will have successfully linked both platforms. Begin by navigating to Mailchimp's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Mailchimp. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your username and password to access your Mailchimp account. Next, locate the integrations option in the left sidebar of the Mailchimp dashboard. Click on Integrations to access the integrations page. This section will display various applications and services that can be linked with Mailchimp. Take a moment to review the available integrations. After that, type Pipedrive into the search bar at the top of the integrations page. As you type, the page will automatically filter the results. You should see Pipedrive appear in the list of integrations. This step is crucial for finding the specific integration you want to connect. Once Pipedrive appears in the search results, click on it to access the Pipedrive integration page. This page provides detailed information about the integration, including features and benefits. Take a moment to review this information to understand how it can enhance your workflow. Now click on the Learn More button, which will direct you to additional details about the integration. This will typically include instructions on how to proceed with the installation. It is important to read through this information to ensure you understand the integration process. Next, find and click on the link that says Mailchimp CRM integration. This link will redirect you to the Pipedrive marketplace where you can install the Mailchimp application. Make sure the page loads completely before proceeding to the next step. After that, click on the Go to Marketplace button. This action will take you to the Pipedrive marketplace where various applications are available for installation. It is essential to verify that you are on the correct page before continuing. Now look for the Install button next to the Mailchimp application. Click on Install to begin the installation process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the application, this may take a moment. Wait for the confirmation that the installation has started. Finally, when prompted, click on Allow to grant the necessary permissions for the integration. This step is vital for ensuring that Mailchimp can communicate effectively with Pipedrive. Once the permissions are granted, the integration will complete and you will receive confirmation of the successful connection. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.